these 1040DD 2x3-inch labels are the ideal solution for applications that require extreme durability. Rated for up to 2 years of outdoor exposure, these specialized labels are made of tough BOPP plastic. These labels are able to withstand many of the elements, making them perfect for printing personalized produce labels. You can find our custom template for these labels on our website, and once downloaded, you can efficiently print labels for all of your food packaging needs. Stick our 1040DD labels to plastic bags and containers without worrying about them breaking down or smearing over time.